Which one would be? Ah, okay, I see. They've got it. They got a portion of it in the wall. It's an odd box. I've never seen a box like that. Let's kind of fight it. So, and by the way, I must make sure that I warn you people. Make sure you check that your power is off. That everything's disconnected before you touch these. This is high voltage. This is like probably a 20 amp circuit, and it'll fry your butt. But that's how you deal with that outlet. I pretty much figured it out as I went, which was pretty easy. But it's similar to the other ones. Sorry, it's so shaky. Similar to the other ones. Wow, 20 something minutes in. Sorry. Alright, I'm gonna end this one.